16 in any order for the jackpot prize of 30,572,565 pesos and 16 centavos net of the agent's prize commission. This time, ang nakikita po ninyo ay ang 49 balls numbered 1 to 49 na nasa loob ng ating draw machine. 6 na bola ang iintay nating piliin, kaya naman, good luck, Super Lotto players! And the first number is 28. Lotto winners, ingatan pong mabuti ang mga Lotto tickets. Huwag babasain at huwag paplansyahin ang mga yan. Tandaan, kailangang ma-validate ang winning ticket sa pag-claim ng premyo. The second number is 20. Exciting din ang mga papremyo ng Super Lotto. 50 pesos ang panalo kapag naswertehan ninyo ang tatlong nanalong numero. The third number is 36. 1.2 million pesos ang paghahatian equally sa mga makakaswerte ng 4 numbers ng ating winning combination. At para manalo, pwedeng rumble ang mga numero. The fourth number is 33. At kung 5 winning numbers naman ang nasa ticket ninyo, 1.3 million pesos ang paghahatian. Pwede nang panimula ng negosyong pangkabuhayan. Our fifth number is 2. Super Lotto fans, very easy lang maglaro ng Lotto. Magtanong lang ng game mechanics sa ating mga friendly Lotto tellers. And the sixth and final number, we have 17. Lotto players, Ultra Lotto draw na. This time, 58 draw balls numbered 1 to 58 po ang nasa loob ng draw machine. Still machine lamang ang pipili ng 6 na bola for tonight's winning combination. And the first number is 26. Sa mga jackpot bearing games gaya ng Ultra Lotto, paghatian equally ang jackpot prize kapag dalawa o higit pa ang ating jackpot winners. The second number is 8. Masayang manalo sa Ultra Lotto. Sakaling makuha ang tatlong winning numbers, panalo kayo ng 100 piso. Our third number is 55. 1.4 million pesos will be given away equally para sa mga nakakuha ng 4 out of the 6 winning numbers. The fourth number is 48. Sakali namang 5 numero ang mag-match sa winning combination, 1.5 million pesos ang inyong premyong paghahatian. The fifth number is 5. One more lucky number to complete our Ultra Million combination. Kayo na kaya ang susunod na Ultra Milyonaryo. And the sixth and final number is 51.
Nasa 6D Lotto game na po tayo mga kalaro. Hindi pa rin napapanalunan ang first prize last draw na umabot na sa mahigit 1.8 million pesos. To make it even more exciting, mas malaki pa dito ang panalo nyo kapag nag-match ng 6 numbers nyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Marami pang paraan para manalo sa game na ito. So much better to keep your tickets and have it validated para hindi masayang ang consolation prizes. At narito na ang ating 6D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 7. The second number is 4. The third number is 7. The fourth number is 0. The fifth number is 8. And the sixth number is 9. Again, tonight's 6D Lotto winning combination is 7, 4, 7, 0, 8, and 9 in exact order. Let's keep the energy high as we now play the 3D Lotto game. Dito naman sa 3D Lotto, 3 numbers nyo pwedeng manalo ng 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play kapag nag-match ang mapipiling 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kapag nag-Rambolito system play. Thrice daily ang pagpapapremyo nito every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. Mga kalaro, narito na ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 0. The second number is 8. And the third number is 6. Again, tonight's 3D Lotto winning combination is 0, 8, and 6 in exact order. At syempre, para sa last game tonight, dalawang masaswerteng numero ang maghahatid ng panalo. Let's now play the 2D Lotto game. 2D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo mo kapag nag-match ng 2 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo via Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos naman ang may uuwing pa premyo. Reminder lang sa mga Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. At narito na ang resulta ng ating 2D Lotto draw. For the first number, we have 22. And the second number is 29. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for our 9 p.m. draw, we have 22 and 29 in exact order. Congratulations to all the winners.